is a great Mexican cocktail that balances with sweet, strong, salty, and bitter. It's made from tequila, Coca Cola, fresh lime, and salt on the rim. It's basically a Cuba Libre cocktail, substituting rum for tequila and sometimes serving with a salted rim. Now we start with salted rim, ice, $50 ml of white tequila or silver, tequila silver, and squeeze the half of lime. You can put inside. Now fill with Coca Cola. Stir gently. Make a garnish. Here you have the Charro Negro.